1st of April, Cedar City got their own monolith, and it's big.
Who did it?
It's 4 feet wide and about 10 feet tall. But it also has a solar panel on top and a button that opened a drawer that had a plaque in it. I'll show you that later. Listen, you can hear the drawer mechanism trying to work.
I think the drawer's kind of stuck.
Yeah, it's busted.
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
This was the original drawer, and inside of it they found this plaque. And right below the drawer was a counter. You could drive right up to it in Three Peaks, and here's a view of Cedar City. Well, now it's been removed as of Monday, so you're out of luck if you were looking for it.